All right. Hello, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Ronnie Mac, owner of the Shops and Salons Network, the HairArt Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network. You guys know me as MrHairArt and Coach, and we're broadcasting from our headquarters here in Dallas, Texas, a 50,000 square foot mega salon. We will be having our grand opening here shortly. Make sure you go to our website to see that date for that grand opening, as well as the grand opening for our hair art gallery and multiple other events that we have coming up, including the Mobile Salon Expo and the Hair Art Expo. If you guys have not signed up for our Mobile Salon School, you need to sign up now. If you guys have not came in and got signed up for your Mobile Salon Bus, you need to go and sign up now. If you guys are not investing in mobile salon franchises, you need to contact us immediately because we are about to launch. We're about to launch this program, and it is going to be huge. It is going to be groundbreaking, and it's going to be industry moving. So you need to contact us. Our 800 number is 1-844-662-2566. That spells out 844 Mobilon. So contact us. You can also go to our website at www.mobilon.com to get more information about the mobile salon business, mobile salon franchising, mobile salon investing, about hair art advertising, the whole nine yards. There's a ton of stuff that's coming this year. So if you have not gotten that information, go to our website at mobilon.com. If you are looking to sign up as a barber or stylist, go to our website, mobilon.com, and sign up. If you're looking to invest into mobile salons or into hair art advertising, you need to go to mobilon.com. If you're a company that's wanting to advertise on our buses, please go to mobilon.com or contact us directly at 844 Mobilon. We have a ton of surprises that are coming up. We got a ton of new elements that are coming into the barber and beauty industry that's going to be moving everything you know about going and getting your hair cut or your hair done. Having barbers and stylists literally coming to your home and parking in your driveway to do your hair in a fully customized VIP mobile salon bus. It is going to be groundbreaking, guys. We're moving the needle and turning this whole thing into a movement. The barber and beauty industry is going mobile. All right, go to our website and see all the news that is coming out, and I'll see you all when we go live, because we go live every day at 6 o'clock on our website, as well as all of the platforms, all at the same time on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, LinkedIn, on our websites at mobilon.com, on HHCharity.org, on Hair Art TV, and even in the buses. We go live at 6 o'clock every day, and it is me, myself, the owner, giving you guys the information about what is going on in the industry, what's going on in our business, with mobile salons, with financing, with franchising, with making money with our business, and all the investments that we have. It's a ton of information that we bring to you every day at 6 o'clock. Broadcasting from all those different platforms all at the same time. So I'll see you guys there. Make sure you log in and check us out at our website at mobilon.com. I'm Ronnie Mac, owner of the Shops and Salons Network, the Hair Art Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network, bidding you guys peace and blessings. Please take care of yourself and take care of someone else. If we all did that, we all will be taken care of. I'll see you all then. And remember our motto, respect yourself, because image is everything. Peace.